Make me drop things, baby. Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. And it is Wednesday and it's time to review my latest purchase. And it's not exactly my latest. You've probably seen me wearing these around in the garden and wondering what they are. These are called garden sleeves. Now I put off buying these for a long time because I thought they were going to be hot. I thought they weren't really very useful. And then this past summer, working with the cucumbers and the peppers, my arms started itching like crazy. Every time I came back from the greenhouse, they were itchy. So I decided to order these and try them out. Now the brand I got, and I cannot pronounce the name. I even Googled the name trying to figure it out. Google cannot help me either. It's the brand name is YUNVI. And when you order them, it weren't very expensive at all. And you get like 4 different packages of them. So you can always have at least one available when they need to be washed. And you just wash them out. You can throw them in the washer, you can throw them in the, or you can wash them out by hand. It doesn't matter. But I have been wearing them in the garden for a long time now. And see there, they go all the way up to your sleeve. Oh, I guess someone wants to say hi. Hello. This is Fluffy. Fluffy loves to be petted. Anyway, they come with a little thumb area so you can put them all the way up and put your gloves over it. That way you have no exposed skin whatsoever. Or you can just use them without the thumb hole and push them up higher. However you want to wear them. But I was surprised they do not cost, they do not get hot. You do not sweat them. They're breathable. They allow the air to flow through. But most of all, I can work in the garden and my arms do not itch after working in the cucumbers or the tomatoes, which is a win-win for me. So I was very pleased with these. You couldn't choose what colors you wanted. They're multicolored. You get what they give you, but that's all right. So these are my newest thing that I use out in the garden that I'm very, very pleased with. So if you do have an issue with itchy skin after being in the garden, these definitely work very well. So hope you enjoyed this short little video. I hope you enjoyed the kitty cat. He's so comfy. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Dream big, follow that dream, and God bless. Bye everybody.